Hey everybody, Ghost Fox here, and today we're taking a look at a new gaming keyboard from Geezer. Absolutely love that name, it cracks me up. Here is a look at the box from the product. Pretty straightforward, kind of simple cardboard box, but it does have the logo and kind of a little picture, model number. Nothing too spectacular about the box, but it's a box. So the actual keyboard is this guy, and this is a mechanical gaming keyboard. This is a higher-end mechanical gaming keyboard. It has the blue switches on it, but these switches are also interchangeable. You can use the little removal tool that comes with it to pull these out and put whatever switches you want. So if you want, say you want red switches in the WASD, you can actually individually switch out those particular keys. This entire keyboard is also backlit. Fully RGB backlit, I might add, with a large variety of lighting options. So I have this set to solid, and it's a solid green. On top of that, you have some options for brighter and dimmer lighting, as well as all of the various options that are controllable through the function F12 here. So you've got pulsing lights. You've got, boy, which one is this? This lights up just the WASD and arrow keys. This one is light changing from one color to another. You have this lights up the key that you press. So the function key lights up there. This one is sort of a little, I don't know, a scrolling pulsing pattern that's in rainbow. You have this absolute craziness, which is just all kinds of colors in a snake pattern. And this one's always fun. This is where whatever button you press, light will emulate out from that button. So that one's always kind of fun. This one is whichever key you press, that key and all the adjacent keys will light up. And then you have just the scrolling rainbow colors. I mean, it's just, and then back to solid. So many color options. I mean, probably more than you'd even need, but yeah, it's got lots and lots of options on it. This is a very durable and solid keyboard. It has a really nice solid plastic case here. The keys are really good. It does have that sort of curved ergonomic design to it here, so that you can see there's that little bit of a swoop, which just kind of makes it a more natural fit for your hand when you're gaming. That kind of just fits very well with the way our hands sit. If you can see the switches underneath there as well, you can take a look at those. And underneath, we have some good rubber feet here to help with anti-skid, and there are some extendable legs. These don't have the rubber foot on them. That's literally the only thing I could possibly think of to say that's even remotely negative about this keyboard. I do kind of prefer the added rubber foot there, but it's not necessary, and that is like the most minor of nonsensical things. And as well as the back, they've got the rubber feet on the front that are anti-skid. Not only that, you've got this nice braided insulated cable here, very thick. I don't know if you can tell just how thick that is, but here's my pinky. So it's about half the width of my pinky. So this is nice. These braided cables are always my preference because they are less likely to kink and tangle. These are not prone to doing that. No matter how much I kind of want to twist this around, it's not likely to kink. So also, this is, as I mentioned, a gaming keyboard, not just because of the mechanical switches, but because of the full 104 key anti-ghosting that this has. No matter what you press on this, you will get all of those key presses to the computer. So no matter what game you're playing, whether it's a first-person shooter or a MOBA like League of Legends or something, everything that you press, you can stick all 10 fingers on here. You can stick your toes on it. You can punch 20 keys at once, and you will get those transferred over. Now, the exact order may be dependent on the millisecond at which you pressed them. So if you press QWER all at once, yes, those will all make it to the computer, but the order may not be exactly what you intended. But if you stream across those keys, it's going to work perfectly. I had absolutely no problems with this keyboard whatsoever. Keep in mind this is mechanical, as I mentioned, so you probably heard, and you do get this. These are not as loud as some of the switches that I have heard, but they do provide an audible feedback as well as the tactile feedback from the key press. These don't take a whole lot of pressure to actuate, which makes them perfect for gaming. But if you're playing in a shared space, you might irritate people with a keyboard like this. It is not a problem of the keyboard. It is a function of every mechanical keyboard. They make noise. So that is a look at the Geezer 104 key, fully LED lit gaming keyboard. I'm pretty impressed with this nice small profile. So I think it's a really nice option for a high-end gaming mechanical keyboard. If you like the video, let me know. Give me a little like or thumbs up. And as always, I'm happy to answer any questions you might have about the tech review. Thanks a lot for watching.